we are going to discuss about the Factories Act. It's a very important act in the labor law, and this content was taken from Elements of Industrial Law written by N.D. Kapoor, and the act was passed in the year 1948. Applicability of the act. The act extends to the whole of India, including the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It also applies to factories belonging to the central or any state government. When you call as factory, according to labor law, section 2M, factory defines whereon 10 or more workers are working or were working on any day of the preceding 12 months and in any part of which a manufacturing process is being carried on with the aid of power, or whereon 20 or more workers are working or were working on any day of the preceding 12 months and in any part of which a manufacturing process is being carried on without the aid of power is defined as factory. Next we discuss about working hours of adult. Weekly hours. According to section 51, no adult worker shall be required or allowed to work in a factory for more than 48 hours in any week. Daily hours. According to section 54, no adult worker shall be required or allowed to work in a factory for more than 9 hours in any day. But in order to facilitate the change of shift, this limit may be exceeded. Interval of rest. According to section 55, every 5 hours of work, they should have an interval of at least half an hour break. Next topic we are going to discuss about spread over, night shift and overlapping shift. Spread over. According to section 56, the periods of work of an adult worker in a factory shall be so arranged that, inclusive of his interest for rest, they shall not spread over more than 10.5 hours in any day. It means the period between commencement and termination of work of an employee on any day is known as spread over. Night shift. According to section 57, where a worker in a factory works on a shift which extends beyond midnight, his weekly or compensatory holiday for a whole day means a period of 24 consecutive hours beginning when his shift ends. In the next video, we will discuss about the provisions of health, safety, welfare of an employees.